Well, hello YouTube. I picked up a new, well, not new, new to me, 78 RPM record. It's a 12-inch called an Audiophile record. It's microgroove and meant to be played with a 1mm stylus only. And from what I've learned, this fella made these records here as his own private little company and sent them out as a subscription back in the 50s and 60s. That, and I have doing an update on the Fisher here. The volume pots and faders and stuff like that and switches and everything, they had begun to get crackly and stuff again and everything. I know Doug had cleaned them out with alcohol, I believe, but I went and turned around and got some of this D5 Deoxit and used that on it, and as you see now, it's
Saturday, partly sunny, a high of 70, 72 with a 40% chance of rain on Sunday. That's your RTV6 forecast.
Get the latest weather online at 1061theriver.com. We went to the doctor and he said we have Music Maximus. He said it's nothing
all
to worry
working
about
fine again.
unless you're another radio station. Music Maximus 24/7 on 1061 The
not having to turn the pots or the control switch, not having to turn it to get it to come in on both speakers and stuff. I was having to jiggle the switch here and whatnot, and I say now it's doing perfect. Hopefully it'll stay that way. If not, I'll use some more of this Deoxit. But I'm going to go ahead now, and I also, while I had it apart there, the speed control switch on this turntable had gotten to the point where you had to push in and push really hard to get it to change speeds. And I was afraid it would tear something up. So when I had this out to clean the volume control pots, I took the turntable and I cleaned all the old hard grease off, and now it just switches just as easy as anything. And let me set this to phono. Put this in. You can see it's running on the correct speeds. Down to 16 and 33, 45, and 78. And 78 is where we'll be using this. I'm going to go ahead and pull out this record and we'll give it a listen and see how it sounds. Take it out of its sleeve here, if I can. Okay, it had a sleeve inside the sleeve. It's a kind of a translucent red color, but make sure I've got it on side A here. Well, I guess it says 2 tracks, 1 and 2 on this side. It's supposed to be jazz or Dixieland jazz or something like that. But anyway, we'll give it a listen and see how it sounds for a 78. Oops. My bad. I made a mistake, y'all. I forgot to take the tape back off of the tone arm here that I have it held down with. This is Gary. Thanks for watching. When all else fails, mind you've done everything like you're supposed to. That's that piece of tape I had on here holding that arm down. Alright, now we'll give it a try. Reject. See how it sounds. Sounds like I need to clean the record. Okay, well, we got to skip. Alright, well that first selection was called Diga Diga Do. The second was Blues My Naughty Sweetie Gave to Me. And I don't believe it's gonna... So we'll just hit the reject and bring it up and stop it there. And I'll go ahead and do the flip side on another video.